I'm going to show you how to get Duolingo XP boost. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So there are multiple ways that you can get an XP boost. So the one is that you can complete your lessons early. So when you complete your lessons early, you get an early bird reward XP boost. The other is complete friend quests. So when you complete the friend quests, when you pair up with your friends, that can also help you get XP boost. So another is to subscribe to a premium plan. Just like at the lower bar, tap on the 3-dot button and go to profile. And once you're here, you can find the second option, and now you can see subscription. Tap on choose a plan and now subscribe to a premium plan through here. So when you're subscribed to a premium plan, then Duolingo will offer you more frequent or longer XP boost. So in this way, you would successfully be able to get XP boost in Duolingo. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.